Problem 19 talks about the weather in lovely Albuquerque. So it's asking us to find the range, the median, the mean, and then it asks us a question about the operations when finding the mean. So whenever you are faced with these range, mean, median types of problems, what I would recommend first is the very first thing you do is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. In this case, that means we will put 49, which is January's, and then followed by, or December, followed by the other one. So if you put December first, you put January 2nd, and vice versa. Just 49, 49. Then you have the 55, which is February's. 59, which is November. And then you have 64, which is March. All right, so now that we have them in order, it's going to be easier for us to complete these operations. So the range is the largest minus the smallest. So that is going to be 64 minus 49. It's the total change in numbers across the data set. So 64 minus 49, we're going to borrow. 14 minus 9 is going to be 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the range is going to be 15. That is the answer for part A. The median is the middle number. That is the number in the exact middle of the data set, which is why you need to order them from least to greatest. In this case, 55 is going to be your median. So for part B, you should have 55. Part C is the mean, which is another word for the average. And that is when you add all the numbers up and divide by the number of numbers. So you're going to have 49 plus 49 plus 55 plus 59 plus 64. And then you're going to divide it by 5. All right, so I'm going to erase the range and the median so that we have a little more room to do that. Okay. So again, the mean is we have to add them all up first. So let's do this in segments again. So 49 plus 49, you have 9 plus 9, which is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, so that's a 98. Then we're going to add 55 to it. 8 plus 5 is 13. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15, so I have 153. 153 plus 59. 9 plus 3 is 12. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, so I have 212. I'm going to add, not 59, I already did that one, 64. Yeah, 49, 49, 55, 59, 64. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus, so yeah, that would be the 6. Plus 1 is 7, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So 276 is the number that I am going to now need to divide by 5 again. I'll keep the 256. So we have 276. My bad. I don't know why I keep saying 56. All right, and we are dividing that by 5. So 5 does not go into 2, but it does go into 27 5 times, because 5 times 5 is 25. Drop down the 6. 5 goes into 26 5 times, because again, that's 25. We have 1 left over. So we have to add the decimal in order to add the 0 to drop down another number. 5 goes into 10. 2 times, and that is going to be all because 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is going to be 0. So there's my remainder of 0. Because I added the decimal point, it's going to pop up like a rubber ducky in the bathtub water. It's going to be right there. So the answer for the mean or the average of the part C of 19 is going to be 55.2. That is going to be your answer for C. All right, so part D talks about or references that commutative property, which means that you can do operations in either order and it does not matter. So it's asking if the addition and division are commutative. So let's look at this. So all the addition I did 49 plus 49 plus 55 plus yada yada yada. There were two other numbers. So with the commutative property, if addition is commutative, you should be able to mix around the numbers. So in this case, you could put 49 plus 55 plus 49 plus the other two, and you should get that right with the same answer. In this case, yes, addition is commutative. So the order does not matter. You can do it in any order and you will still come out with the same answer. Division, however, is a little different. So we had 276 divided by 5. What if you switched those? 5 over 276. Would you still get the same answer? That would be a big no. The order does matter for division. So division is not commutative. So addition is, division is not.